This is what I'm going to be talking about this evening. See that? This right here is my dark horse. The dark horse. Dark horse for the World Cup. And I'm talking about a dark horse to win the World Cup, not to come out of them group. We're talking about a team that people give no real chance of winning, but a team that can conceivably win the World Cup. And the team I have as my dark horse for Russia 2018, selling at odds of 20-1, is jolly old England. Oh yes, the pressure that previous England teams with players like David Beckham and Frank Lampard and Steven Gerrard had, with the media hype and the expectations, killed those teams. No such pressure on Gary Southgate's young team. They basically cruise through qualifying. And in terms of quality, England have good players who represent top English clubs from the failed era and actually do play good football. The concerns about England, as usual, is the absence of a real top-class creative player. And of course, the perennial lack of self-belief that has crippled England teams of recent past. We don't know if that when comeback level could also be a negative. But as we say, this is a dark horse, not a favorite. And I see no reason why England can beat up any of these top teams and pull it off as a dark. As a dark horse. And my dark horse.